Rodney? Are you practicing to be a statue or something?
No.
Then what are you doing out here?
Nothing. I'm trying not to sin. But I don't know what is a sin or what isn't a sin, so I've decided to do nothing.
What? You mean like, ever?
Yes. Ever. If I don't ever do anything ever again, I don't have to worry about sinning.
But that's not how God wants us to live.
It's not?
No. Here, why don't you say a verse with me? It's from the book of Luke.
Okay, fine.
Luke 2:52.
Luke 2:52.
Jesus became wiser and stronger.
Jesus became wiser and stronger.
He also became more and more pleasing to God and to people.
He also became more and more pleasing to God and to people.
As Jesus got older, he grew in wisdom, and we can too. Wisdom can help us know the difference between right and wrong.
How so?
When we read the Bible and pray, we learn more about God. He knows best about what's good and what's bad.
Really? So I don't have to just do nothing and worry about not sinning for the rest of my life?
Of course not. When we choose to rely on God's power, stay away from things that make us want to sin, and ask other people for help avoiding sin, we can live amazing, fun lives while following Jesus.
Okay. That's really awesome to hear. You know, oh, might be a little stiff.
How long have you been standing out here?
I don't know. 6 hours?
Rodney.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos from the Connect crew.